is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary.
Talaga yan. Naiiyak na kami. Ay, tuloy-tuloy ang luha ko.
Adore and love is all the way you look.
Yes! Ikakasal na ako kay John!
Ready!
The only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love is made for me and you.
Napaka-importante talaga na nasa gitna si Jehovah. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Kailangan na maging malinis, maging, kumbaga, kailangan talaga na, syempre, pag yung not dalawa lang mahina eh. Pero kung andyan si Jehovah, talagang mas malakas yun.
In your arms is where I found my home. That place that only we know.
Follow the leader. Dali ako kita sa Tagaytay.
Just say the word and we're
Nung una kasi, na parang nakita ko sa kanya na parang yung meron talaga siyang plan. Tapos nung kinausap niyo yung father ko, talagang seryoso siya. Kasi, take note, hindi talaga lahat kayang kausapin yung papa ko.
Then syempre, kailangan nating dumaan sa mga magulang niya, magpakilala.
Kumikinig yan nung nakiusap sa akin, bonso to eh.
Gusto niya kaaway niya ako ngayon para wag siya umiyak. Pero naiiyak pa din siya.
intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and in your warmth is where my heart takes flight. I'll stay forever by your side. Hand in hand, we'll keep chasing the light. A love stronger than the darkest night. I promise to love you till the end of time. Heart, soul, and body intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and I, divine.
Make sure that you both cultivate deep love in your marriage. It is a continuous process. You can do that by clothing yourself with love. Because for your marriage to last, Jehovah should be your priority.
Kichi, Wabi, thank you so much for all the sacrifices. Maraming salamat. Alam ko na ikaw talaga yung nag-organize most of the wedding preparations. Just wanted to let you know na I'm always here and I love you.